Main concerns on site were just the sheer number of trades on site. With 247 guest rooms, it's a large number of wet trades, being waterproofing, rendering, plasterboarding, tiling, you name it. There's a lot of people who get involved. Interpod create a one-stop shop service. With modular construction, the beauty is we can then deliver the pod to site, nice and clean, nice and easy, with less trades on site. It's a lifesaver. So I definitely recommend it, and it's one I'll be using on future projects. It's been a very positive experience working with Interpod. Upfront design development process was very well thought out, very well documented, and the site team were great. So it's quite a challenging project, very technical project, especially with the pods that they created here with the double-sided glazing components, which is a very Holiday Inn Express, I guess, element. And so they went above and beyond to design this and engineer it, and the fact that all pods came to site with no breakages, sensational.